Welcome to the awe-inspiring world of the Northern Lights, a natural light display that paints the sky with otherworldly colors.
The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, get their name from the Roman goddess of dawn, Aurora, and the Greek term for the north wind, Boreas. These lights are primarily seen in the polar regions within a radius of 2,500 kilometers of the magnetic poles.
Aurora displays can occur in many colors, though green and pink are the most common. Blue, red, yellow, and violet hues are more rare.
The colors of the aurora are determined by the type of gas particles that are colliding. For instance, oxygen causes green and red colors, while nitrogen produces pink and blue.
Auroras happen all year round, but are more visible during the autumn and spring equinoxes due to the Earth's tilt.
The science behind the auroras begins with the sun emitting a cloud of gas, known as a solar wind, which is a constant stream of charged particles ejected from the sun's atmosphere.
These particles travel towards Earth at speeds of around 390 kilometers per second.
Upon reaching Earth, these charged particles are deflected by the Earth's magnetic field. However, the magnetic field is weaker at either pole, allowing some particles to enter the atmosphere. When these particles collide with oxygen and nitrogen atoms in the Earth's atmosphere, they excite these atoms, causing them to light up and create the stunning visuals we know as the auroras. The best places to witness this magnificent display are in the northern parts of Norway, Sweden, and Finland, and of course, Iceland and Greenland.
Did you know that the Southern Lights exist as well? Known as Aurora Australis, they are the Southern Hemisphere's equivalent to the Northern Lights.
Aurora formations can also occur on other planets in the solar system, showcasing how universal this phenomenon is.
Historically, many indigenous peoples interpreted the Northern Lights through various myths and legends, often seeing them as omens or spirits of their ancestors.
During a strong aurora, the lights can be so bright that you could read a newspaper by their glow.
The aurora can extend from 80 kilometers to as high as 640 kilometers above the Earth's surface.
Geomagnetic storms caused by increased solar activity can lead to auroras being visible at lower latitudes than usual, sometimes reaching as far south as Mexico. In 1716, the famous astronomer Edmund Halley proposed that auroras are caused by magnetic fields.
Solar maximums, periods of greatest solar activity in the 11-year solar cycle, result in more frequent and vivid displays of the Northern Lights. Contrary to popular belief, auroras don't just appear during the night, but are actually occurring all the time. It's just that we can only see them against the dark sky.
Pilots have reported seeing auroras from the cockpit, offering a unique and breathtaking perspective on this natural wonder.
Photographing the Northern Lights is a popular activity, with long exposure times used to capture the movement and colors of the aurora.
Several space missions have been dedicated to studying auroras, highlighting their importance in understanding the Earth's magnetosphere and how it protects us from solar winds. In addition to light displays, auroras can also produce eerie sounds such as claps, crackles, and static hisses, which can be heard on the ground under quiet conditions.
Auroras are not exclusive to Earth. Astronomers have observed them on other planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
One of the most intense auroras ever recorded was in 1989, which caused electrical blackouts in Quebec and could be seen as far south as Texas. The International Space Station, ISS, offers an unmatched viewing platform for the Northern Lights, with astronauts frequently sharing their stunning photos and videos from orbit. Cultural interpretations of the aurora vary widely, from being a bridge to the afterlife to the reflections of giant fires in the far north, according to some mythologies.
The earliest suspected recording of the Northern Lights dates back to 30,000 years ago, found in cave paintings in France, suggesting even early humans were mesmerized by this phenomenon.
Scientists can now predict with a certain degree of accuracy when and where the auroras are most likely to be seen, aiding travelers in their quest to witness this natural spectacle.
The Northern Lights inspire art, culture, and science, bridging the gap between ancient myths and modern understanding, and continuing to fascinate with its beauty and mystery.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the lights. May the glow of the aurora inspire you to explore the wonders of our world and beyond.